Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to send books to Kindle from Calibre. So first things first, you just have to simply log in or download Calibre if you don't have one yet. You just have to go to any web browser and then download your Calibre. So basically you need to set up. So open Calibre, go to preferences, and then you have to add your book right here. Basically, if you are using the Windows, you just have to simply click on Windows to download your Calibre. So once you have it already, then you can now open, add the book or whatever you want to edit right here or send to your Kindle. Now here's the thing, go to preferences and what you're going to do is you have to change the format and you have to select to MOBI or MOBI. In order for you to send it or share the book through email or send this to your Kindle, you need to basically change the format to movie. So what you're going to do here is you have to look for convert and you have to convert your file into a movie. Now here once done, then basically you can now add your sending email address. So you can send books from Calibre to your Kindle. What you're going to do is again you have to change the format and if needed right click convert books. After that you need to right click again the converted book and then tap on connect share email, choose your Kindle email, and then after that click on OK. So make sure that you have your Kindle email in order for you to share that one. That's so easy. Calibre will send the book directly to your Kindle. So 5, approve the delivery. If Amazon sends a verification email, check your inbox. Click verify and approve. Your book will arrive in your Kindle library. Sync your Kindle, make sure Wi-Fi is on, tap settings, and then sync. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.